Hi everyone, I am Joanna Colucci from the FarmDoc team at the University of Illinois. In today's video, we'll analyze the impact of the war on Ukraine's agricultural sector since the conflict began almost 3 years ago. After all the damage and losses to the agribusiness sector, one big question remains. Can Ukraine stay relevant in the global agriculture market? Let's explore that. And before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more FarmDoc updates. So let's begin with one overview. Ukraine's economy has been hit hard. Its GDP is still 22% below 2021 levels, and recovery to pre-war levels could take up to 5 years, even if the war ended today. Before the conflict, Ukraine was a major player in global agriculture, exporting grains like corn, wheat, and vegetable oils to countries across Europe, Asia, and Africa. But moving forward to the current market year, Ukraine's grain and oilseed production is expected to drop to 74 million tons, 10% lower than the previous year. Now let's focus mainly on corn and wheat scenarios. Ukraine has lost nearly half of its wheat production, primarily due to a decline in acres harvested rather than yields. A significant increase in wheat yields during the last 2 crop seasons has partially offset the sharp reduction in harvested area compared to the pre-war levels. Corn production has also been affected, though not as badly as wheat. The number of corn acres harvested has dropped, but the impact is less dramatic because corn production is more evenly distributed across the central and northern parts of Ukraine. This contrasts with wheat, which is heavily concentrated in areas closer to the conflict zones in the east and south. Farmers have also been adjusting to market signals, like prices and export opportunities, which has helped maintain some stability. Still, lower yields and reduced acreage have kept overall corn production about 20% below pre-war levels. Next, let's talk about exports. Ukraine has been able to meet both domestic and export demand for wheat. Domestic use has dropped significantly by 26%, mainly because of a smaller population and a shrink livestock industry. This decline in local demand has left enough wheat for exports, which have remained relatively stable. Corn exports, on the other hand, are projected to fall by 6.6 million tons in 2024-25 market year compared to the previous year. But there is a bright spot here. Grain shipments via seaports now make up 80% of all shipments, the highest level since the war started. This shows that Ukraine's export logistics are holding up even in challenging circumstances. Finally, let's look at the big picture. Ukraine's share in the global corn market has dropped from 30% in 2018-19 to an expected 24% in 2024-25. Its share in the global wheat market has also slipped from 16% to 15%. To stay competitive, Ukraine is focused on securing reliable export routes and exploring new markets. In summary, despite significant challenges, damaged infrastructure, lost farmland, and reduced production, Ukraine's efforts to improve yields, secure export logistics, and adapt to market changes have allowed it to remain a player in global corn and wheat markets. For a deeper analysis into this topic, check out the full article on FarmDoc Daily. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more updates from FarmDoc. See you next time!